Ilang beses na nasasamit kasi pinag-usapan line ball is in motion. Pero masyadong manipis. Carlo Bidarbonco din, sinabi rin.
Well, the analysis, again, uulitin ko.
In the meantime, tried a cut shot on
wait
that
a minute.
yellow one.
Naku, namumuro.
Ahoy.
May espasyo ba enough do sa tabi ng sais?
We will find out with this shot coming from Comayas. Apparently, there's no offensive shot. Namasyal lang yung pamato.
Wow, look at that.
Look at that. Gumamit na ng extension si Eric Navarrete. There's that kick shot, double contact.
Oh, wow.
Went short trail.
Ang galing naman ni
Resulting
Tira.
to that screen.
This will be abbreviated. Wow.
Oh, he went on the other side. Matraffic lang kasi may brown 7. And Gerson Comayas goes for another safety. This could be a 4-rail shot for Eric Navarrete, and I would be surprised if he makes contact with this one.
Oh,
he
he
made
does.
contact. Pero bumanda.
Oh, that's just too yummy to pass off.
Hindi.
Hindi pa pala.
In order to break that purple 4 and hindi.
He pulls that and he can see the 3 from there.
That's why you had the option of going for that 2-9 combination. Kasi nga naman para maiwasan yung purple 4 na yun.
And binaba niya ulit. Cue ball behind the 8. Like that. Exactly like that.
And we are going to brace ourselves again.
This is very pocketable.
Eric Navarrete made majority of his kick shots.
Oh.
Swerte, ika nga. Yung dalawang nasa taas.
Yun ang malupit.
Make plans for next week to visit Sharks Arena.
Uh-oh.
Ouch!
Pasok naman.
Made it.
Parang pinadali pa nga eh.
Oo. Not a problem anymore. And Gerson Comayas went up the hill.